Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be installing another wig by LUVME Hair. But before I use the wig, I'm just showing you I did tint my wig with the Ebin lace tint, and I used the dark brown. So the other shade was the light warm brown. I thought in the store the light warm brown would match me better, but nope, the dark brown matched my skin tone better. So I did not bleach the knots. I just used the lace brown, the dark brown lace tint. So right here you can see where I'm just putting it against the paper towel and just seeing which match my skin tone best. So as you can see, one was a lighter shade and one was a darker shade. And the darker shade matched my skin better than the lighter shade. So that's what I'm doing now. But baby, let me tell you about this wig that I purchased from LUVME Hair. Now you guys know I've been loving LUVME Hair. However, this one wig that I purchased from them, I will put it right here. A picture right here of what it is. It's the long length undetectable lace water wave 13 by 4 frontal lace wig, real HD, and 26 inches, baby. Okay, that wig did not, well, not that, this wig did not fit my hair. Okay, it was so tight on my big old head. I struggled, and as you can see, I'm struggling to put this wig on my head. This is how tight the wig was. As you guys know, in my previous videos, I have said I have a large head. I'm about a 23-inch around circumference, whatever. 23. It's 23 around, like when you measure my head. It's 23. So I should have wrote a note. So I'm going to take that. I should have wrote a note or email or something to let them know I need a larger cap. But baby, this was tight. This was for somebody with a smaller head, not a big large head as I got, as you can see. And so right now I'm just trying to figure out how in the world am I going to put this wig on my head? Because y'all already know I bought this wig with my precious money. So I am not about to send it back. I'm going to figure out a way to put this wig on because was headed to the Lil Baby and Chris Brown concert. So I needed to figure out a way how this wig was going to fit on my head. So what I decided to do was I decided to cut by the lace. So you know where the lace ends, well, where the frontal ends and where the wig begins, like right there in that corner, like near the ear. I decided to cut right there because I was going to figure out a way for this wig to fit my head. So as you can see in the video, once I get to it, that I cut the wig so it can adjust to my head. Because there was no way that this small wig was going to fit on my head. And so side part, this just me just saying, is this lace really detectable? And then also I did spray the Ebin. I cut a little piece off of the lace to spray the lace tint spray just to see which lace spray color blended with my head first. So that's what I did. So I just cut a piece of the lace part of the wig and then I sprayed it with the Ebin lace tint. And so that's how I figured it out. Because even though I did spray on the paper towel, putting on the lace was a better way to figure out if it matched my head. So I went with the dark brown. So here is the part that I was talking about where I cut a slit where the wig and the lace is at so it can adjust to my larger head. So I didn't cut a long slit. So you can see it was just like a really, it was a small corner on each side. So at first I started from one side to see if it fit. So that's where you can see me putting it on my head, where I started on one side. And then I took it off and I decided to cut the other side as well. Because, baby, this wig was not fitting on my big head. Okay? My head is just huge. And this wig was not fitting. And I wanted this $200 wig to fit my head. Because it was going to fit. Because I got to go to this concert tonight. Okay, that's just my rant. But as you can see, it's starting to fit now. Adjusting by my ear, where I have the lace tape at. And so I was gonna make this wig fit my head, okay? So I cut the slits, and so that's how you can see me right here adjusting the wig to make it fit. And so I figured out a way, it was gonna fit. So boom, bam, I got it on. So right here, I'm using my boho lace tape. I have not used this in a while because I was running out of glue. So, and I didn't want it for it to be glueless, or I didn't want to use like a spray because I was going to be outside in the concert, and it's hot as the devil's draws right now in this summertime right now. So I did not want my wig to mess up. I didn't want it to melt off. I didn't want it to come off. So that's why I wanted to glue my wig down. And boho active usually works for me, but I was running low on it. I still had a little bit of it, but I wanted to use the boho lace tape. So that's why I decided to use the tape and the glue as well, because I wanted this wig to be stuck like Chuck when I'm dancing to Chris Brown and his new album when he performing tonight, okay? So, yeah, I don't know little baby songs. I know about 2 or 3, but Chris Brown is my baby. Like, if Chris Brown ever, listening to this, like, I love me some Chris because Chris is that dude. And so I was going to make sure, even though I was back there in the audience, I know he ain't going to be able to see me, but I had to look good for Chris tonight, okay? I had to look good for him. Even though he won't going to see me in the crowd because I was not about to pay no $1,000 for no meet and greet. I still had to look good for him for this concert. So I was going to make this wig fit on my head no matter what. I was about to look good, okay? I was about to look good for Breezy. But yes, as you can see, this is just me just playing with the wig, trying to adjust, trying to put it on, trying to make sure it fit my overly large size head because, again, this wig was going to fit on my head today. So I should have used tweezers to peel the lace tape off, but as you can see, this is me, just trying to adjust what looks right when I put it on the wig where the tape will fit. And so this is basically in the video, you're trying to see me putting the wig on, trying to adjust how it looks, how I'm about to look cute, and bam. But I was such in a rush to get ready for the concert, I didn't get to do a video of me putting on my makeup or anything like that. Basically, you're just seeing me just putting a wig on. Basically, this video is about how you see how this wig didn't fit, okay? So if you got a big, large head, you order from LUVME Hair, just let them know that you need a large size cap head because this wig did not fit my large size cap head. My large head. But here are the videos how I look with my makeup on. Okay? I was looking good for Chris, that night. I did an up-down style with a bang, side bang. But yes, it did come out good eventually. And I did enjoy the wig. But it was, as you can see, it was a struggle for me to put on. But yes, but I would like to thank you guys for tuning into my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I want to say thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you guys for leaving comments. And please give me more subscribers. So yes, videos, more content. It's more to come to That's Me Cherie channel. And thank you for rocking with me.